Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we shall be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to use Google Drive, which is one of the most popular file sharing or big file sharing and cloud storage platforms. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to create a Google account. If you don't already have one, check out my video on the top right hand corner for a step-by-step guide on how to open a Google account. Once you have your Google account, head over to the Google Drive website, which is drive.google.com. Click on enter. Please note that you can also access your Google Drive using your Gmail account. So the next step is to click on go to Drive. Next, you can sign in using your Google credentials. So I'll put in my email. Next, next, then I'll put in my password. Next. So once you have signed in, what you see will be this page. Please note that for a Google Drive, you have 15 gigabytes of free storage, and when you exhaust these 15 gigabytes, you can always get more storage. So now that you are logged in, you can start uploading files to Google Drive. To do that, you have a couple of options. You can either click on the new button right here, and you can click on file upload or folder upload, or you can simply just drag and drop files from your computer into your Google Drive window. So to upload a new file, I will click on new, then file upload. Please note that you can also upload a folder. So for this video, I will upload a file. Click on file upload. Then you look for the file you want to upload. So this is the file I want to upload right here. So click on it, then open. So on the bottom right corner, you see that my file is being uploaded. So right here is the file I just uploaded. So it is right here. To keep your files organized, you can create folders in Google Drive. To do that, right click anywhere in Google Drive. I'll come right here, or right click, select new folder, give your folder a name. I'll call this important. When you're done, click on create. So as you can see right here, here is my new folder. Let me create another folder. Click on new folder, give it a name. This time I will call this school. Create. So when you're done, you can organize your files in Google Drive. To do that, you drag and drop your files into it to categorize them. So I can click on this, drop into school. That's it. Click on So click on this, drop into important. As you can see, the action has been executed. So when you open this folder, you will see that your file is there right here. Good. So this is one way that you can organize your files using folders in Google Drive. Sharing files with others is easy on Google Drive. To do that, you right click on a file or folder you want to share. So I want to share this file, so I will right click on it. Next, I'll click on share. Next, I will enter the email address of the people or person I want to share the file with. So let me enter the email of the person I want to share this file with. So when you're done, you can choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the file. So right now, what to say is editor. That means that this person can edit the file. If you don't want the person to edit the file, you can click on this drop down button and you can put viewer. As a viewer, the person cannot edit your file. They can only view. If you want them to comment on the file, you can click on comment. And but if you want the person to edit your file or to collaborate with you, you can put it on editor, so the person can easily collaborate with you. So Google Drive is also a platform where you can collaborate with your colleagues, co-workers, or fellow teachers. So when you're done, if you want to have a message right here, you can type an extra message. And if you want Google Drive to notify the person, you just leave this check. If you don't want Google Drive to notify the person, you can uncheck this. I will leave it checked so that Google Drive can notify the person. When you're done, you click on send. After sharing your file with somebody, you will notice that you will see this little icon beside your file. That means that somebody has access to that file. If you want to remove this icon, or if you want to undo sharing the file, you can right click again, click on share, and you can come right here and click on it, and you can remove access. Click on this and you save. As you can see right here, this shared icon is gone. So that is how you can share your file and also uh, unshare your file. If someone shares a file or folder with you, you will receive an email notification. Open the email and click on the link to access the shared file. Alternatively, you can log into Google Drive just like this and come to your left and click on the shared with me. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see the file that was shared with you right here. As you can see, nothing has been shared with you yet. If somebody shared a file with you, you will see the file under this shared with me. You can come right here to access the file that was shared with you. If you want to download files from Google Drive to your computer, simply right click on the file folder and select download. For this video, I want to download this file to my computer, so I will right click on it, click on download, and right here you can save it on your computer. So I'll click on save, and here's it. The file has been saved to my computer. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use Google Drive. It is a fantastic tool for storing, organizing, collaborating, and sharing your files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and educational content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.